So you at long last got the look, and you're moving in for that executioner kiss when it occurs to you that you need assistance, and quick. In case you're down to pick up all that you have to think about who, what, when, where, why and how to kiss, you've gone to the ideal spot. Pucker up and how about we have a ton of fun. 1. Step. Initiating a kiss. 1 drop implies that you're intrigued. You can put out some inconspicuous signs that you're plotting for a kiss without coming right out and saying it. Here's the way to convey it impractically. Get found taking a gander at the other individual's lips. Try not to press together your lips. Keep them delicately separated, less that you could inhale serenely through the opening, however enough that you could nibble your base lip without any problem. Make your mouth engaging. Use chapstick or lip gloss to streamline flaky lips, and keep your breath new with mints or shower. Keep away from gum, which you may need to let out ungracefully if the other individual goes in for a kiss. 2. Break the kiss boundary, discretionary. In case you're feeling valiant, try things out with a little kiss on the hand or the cheek. On the off chance that the other individual appears to be intrigued, it's most likely safe to continue with a kiss on the mouth. In case you're kissing a young lady, take her hand and gradually lift it to your mouth. Tenderly press your lips into the rear of your hand for 2 or 3 seconds before splitting endlessly. In case you're kissing a person, lean in and plant a 2 or 3 second kiss on his cheek. Keep your lips delicate, and abstain from puckering like you would in the event that you were kissing a relative. On the off chance that you need your goals to be additional reasonable, focus on the piece of his cheek just to the side of his lips. 3. Set the state of mind with a sentimental commendation. Pull out all the stops and give the other individual the sincerest pat on the back you can consider. On the off chance that you take care of business, the other individual may start to lead the pack and lean in to kiss you. Let's assume it in a cozy manner. Ease off the volume of your voice somewhat, and lock eyes. In addition to the fact that this communicates you have profound affections for this individual, it allures the person in question to come nearer to hear you. Concentrate on a charming quality. Regardless of whether you really feel that your date is an astonishing b-ball player, presently probably won't be the best and ideal opportunity to bring it up. Rather, base your commendation on how you consider you're to be as a sentimental accomplice. Attempt these lines. You are so excellent. Your eyes make me insane. 4. Consider requesting a kiss legitimately. As a last resort, pull out all the stops and express your aims. On the off chance that your date hasn't got on any of your insights and you're biting the dust to both lips, you should be clear and simply inquire as to whether you can kiss the person in question. Try not to stress, however, you can be immediate while as yet being sentimental and convincing. Attempt these expressions in case you're speechless. I'd love just to kiss you at this moment. I'm grieved if this is excessively forward, yet I'd truly prefer to kiss you. I need to kiss you so much that it is just about executing me. I love to see you grin. I am so fortunate to be with you at this moment. 5. Go in for the kiss. Try not to burn through whenever once you have the thumbs up, close your eyes, lean in and smooch. 2. The following segments will talk about some kissing methods, just as how to deal with kissing in various dating circumstances, for example, a first kiss or kissing after a date. 2. Step. Kissing techniques. 1. Keep your lips delicate. Tense puckers are for relatives or individuals you're committed to kiss, yet keeping your mouth somewhat separated and delicate imparts a feeling of receptiveness. 2. Do a couple of delicate kisses. Start delayed with delicate kisses and avoid the tongue and the teeth, until further notice. On the off chance that your accomplice appears to be open, you can push ahead to French kissing. Attempt to abstain from allowing your lips to lips. The commotion can be diverting, and may break your drenching at the time. On the off chance that you do end up smacking, slow down and part your lips more. Remain light from the start. Abstain from crushing your lips against your date's mouth, until further notice. Kissing delicately and tenderly allows the other individual to stop if it's awkward, just as permitting you to check their advantage. 3. Stay at a sensible degree of spit. Slobbery pups are the exact opposite thing you need your date considering while you kiss that person. Maintain a strategic distance from this destiny by gulping overabundant salivation sometimes. In the event that you notice that your lips are a piece excessively wet, pull away and circumspectly tote them to bring the additional spit over into your mouth. 4. Lock lips. On the off chance that your underlying kisses have worked out in a good way, attempt a lip lock, which can prompt nearer kisses, and is a decent door for French kissing. Fundamentally, you'll stack your lips so that, for example, it would appear that this your lower lip, your accomplice's lower lip, your upper lip, your accomplice's upper lip. From the start, putting your accomplice's lower lip between yours is the most secure wagered. A great many people have bigger lower lips, making them simpler to snatch tenderly with your lips. 5. Make sure to relax. Preferably, you'll have the option to inhale delicately through your nose while you're kissing. In the event that that is impractical, however, split away for one moment to calmly inhale. Try not to feel reluctant about being winded or expecting to enjoy a reprieve for a second. Breathing hard means that you're apprehensive and energized, which your accomplice will presumably discover complimenting. 6. Use your hands. Don't simply let your hands hang at your sides like two limp fettuccine noodles, set out to really utilize them. Spot your hands daintily on your accomplice's shoulders or around their midriff. In Western culture, young ladies for the most part put their hands on a young man's shoulders while he puts his hands around her midriff. Take the closeness up an indent by pulling your accomplice in closer. Put your hands on the sides of their face, utilizing your thumb to clear over the cheekbone, or put one hand under their jawline and tilt it upward. Another genuinely exotic move is to put two hands around the rear of your accomplice's head and tangle them in their hair, tenderly pulling. 7. Test utilizing tongue. When you're in a lip lock with your accomplice's lower lip between both of yours, gently run the tip of your tongue over it. In the event that you can move it gradually, far and away superior. Perceive how your accomplice reacts. On the off chance that the individual in question presses in nearer or restores the motion, you're most likely obvious to continue expanding the power of the kiss. On the off chance that your date pulls away, perhaps it's ideal to pull back the tongue until further notice and stick to lips just kisses. 8. Try French kissing, discretionary. Utilizing your tongue during a kiss is, in Western culture, alluded to as a French kiss. For what reason do the French get the credit? Who knows? Here's the way to begin. Clear your tongue along within your accomplice's lower lip. Attempt to move gradually and daintily from the outset, speeding up and pressure just if your accomplice appears to react well. Slide the tip of your tongue inside your accomplice's mouth and tenderly move it against the tip of their tongue. Utilize light, shooting movements and keep your tongue moving. Letting it sit flaccidly in your accomplice's mouth isn't engaging and will carry a snappy end to the kissing. Invest further and more energy strokes if your accomplice appears to be responsive. 9. Mix it up. Try not to feel committed to prop the concentrated tongue action up until the end of time. Exchange delicate and hard, slow and quick, profound and shallow. You can even return to utilizing just your lips for a couple of moments. 10. Gently snack your accomplice's lips, discretionary. Teeth are definitely not a vital component of kissing, yet touching them over your accomplice's lip can present another unforeseen component. Here are some snappy pointers. Keep the weight as light as could reasonably be expected. Recall that you're meaning to snack, not nibble. Move gradually. Once more, keeping your pace delicate will help forestall inadvertently biting on your accomplice's lip. At the point when your lips are bolted, place your teeth over your accomplice's lower lip and gradually pull back until your teeth are nearly toward the finish of the lip. Briefly stop. At that point, continue kissing, not surprisingly. Try not to break out the biters to an extreme. They ought to be an intermittent advantage, not the primary fascination. 11. Increase the power with intermittent breaks. Maneuver away for a second to investigate your accomplice's eyes, murmur something in their ear, or just slow down and wonder about your favorable luck. 3. Step. Having your first kiss. 1. Try to pick a dependable accomplice. Kissing somebody you trust can facilitate a great deal of the nervousness of your first kiss. On the off chance that you realized you were giving somebody their first kiss, you'd attempt to be patient and seeing, so anticipate the equivalent of your accomplice. Remember that an off-kilter first kiss isn't the finish of the relationship or the world. In reality, it can construct closeness through having a common encounter. For whatever length of time that you can dismiss it, you'll be fine. Keep in mind, everybody has experienced having their first kiss. Chances are that a great many people are more abnormal about it than you'll be, regardless of whether you don't have any acquaintance with it. 2. Prepare your mouth. Use chapstick or lip gloss to streamline dried-out lips, and brush your teeth and tongue well. On the off chance that your mouth feels somewhat stale, use breath mints or shower to spruce up. Realizing that your mouth is perfect and engaging can assist you with feeling more certain about kissing. That being stated, however, don't feel like you have to fixate on neatness. Most mouths simply taste warm, except if you've as of late eaten something impactful like onions or garlic, or you've quite recently woken up toward the beginning of the day. 3. Don't surge. You just get one first kiss. Except if you're both so overpowered with want that you need to kiss at the present time or the world will end, coax it out. It very well may be hugely energizing and arousing to prod the kiss before it occurs, keeping eye-to-eye connection the entire time. 4. Let the other individual start to lead the pack. In case you're apprehensive about not knowing the correct strategies, let your accomplice start what occurs during the kiss. Copy what the person does until you're happy with attempting your own moves. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.